What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Ashkeebs here. This is so scuffed. What is good, everyone? Ashkeebs here. Today we have a video that has been nearly 6 months in the making. My friend initially messaged me about custom mechanical keyboards back in February of this year, and at the time the best value for beginners looked to be the Ikki68 Aurora. It was very hyped, so I managed to pick one up during group buy because I am fast as fuck boy, and it's finally arrived in the mail. I guess this video is a mini review on the Ikki68 Aurora as well as a budget build as well. Well, not really budget, but I think this would be a very nice benchmark on a starter enthusiast level keyboard. And in the realm of enthusiast boards, the price of what is considered to be budget is thrown out the freaking window. So here is the board. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. But the case that it comes in is actually very nice. It's this suede sort of material. It feels very premium. Inside the case I picked up the Mizu colorway, by the way, but we got ourselves a braided matching colored cable. This is actually pretty high quality. That's actually pretty nice. Actually, let's do a smell test because the KBD67 light cable, okay, it actually smells pretty good. The KBD67 light cable actually smells rancid. So I do a smell test for every beginner sort of enthusiast board. But here is the board itself. It comes unassembled, which is actually better for me. But pretty nice. It's made of plastic, but it is, oh my god, the exposure is so high. Oh, that made it higher. There we go. But here is the actual keyboard. Pretty high quality plastic from what I can tell. It's a bit hefty with all of the dampening material. But the Mizu colorway also comes with some matching stabs. Also comes with a shit ton of stuff actually. Oh my god. So comes with extra hot swap sockets as well as all the screws and the tools you need to assemble it. And over here we got the gaskets as well as, what is this? Oh, I guess this is like a serial number or code thing and like a authentication coin. That's pretty cool. It also has some I don't know what this is for. Oh, here is the badge itself though. It's made of aluminum. It goes right here. Pretty cool. It also comes with a aluminum plate, which is a great bonus, as well as a hot swap PCB. So the Mizu version of the board actually comes with these OA stabilizers that are matching colors, so we're going to go with these, lubed with 205 grade 0 and XHT. And we're done. For the switches, we'll be going with these gateron hippos, lubed and filmed with 205 grade 0 and dusky films. I think a lot of beginners really tend to be impressed with smoothness and Thock in their first keyboards, and these are both relatively Thock and extremely smooth as well, with its full nylon housing and unwiped stem. The aluminum plated is actually quite high quality, and the anodization on this is actually very nice. It actually really does add that premium aspect to the board. We'll also be adding this silicone dampener in between the plate and the PCB to achieve that maximum Thock. For the gaskets for the board, we're going to be using the pour-on gasket strips instead of the silicone ones because these seem to be a lot more softer. Welcome to another episode of Ashkeebs Talks without a fucking script. Lately I've been playing a lot of old school RuneScape. I got into the game because one of my friends, fuck you Sam, told me I should play it, and I downloaded it, and it's literally taken my life over. I've been clicking trees, and I've been clicking cows, and I've been clicking basically everything for at least 4 hours a day, and it's not good, but I can't stop. I don't know why I can't stop, but clicking those damn trees just gives me that dopamine hit that I didn't think was possible in a video game. But man, I'm in so deep, but the soundtrack for old school RuneScape is actually a banger. For the keycaps, we'll be going with this PBT Lilith keycaps, manufactured by Milkyway from Elboard. Shout out to Elboard for sending them out to me. You can use the link and code Ashkeebs for 5% off anything, by the way. But this new keycap manufacturer has been actually making waves lately, and looking at the quality of these, they are quite good. I'm not the biggest fan of the legends, but the quality on these are equal to or maybe slightly better than ePBT. The spacebar for sure are way straighter and less warped than ePBT, and honestly for less than $100 they look pretty good. Also, they're making a ton of weeb key sets, so that is a big plus in my book. Here is the finished build. Looking pretty damn clean. The blue doesn't exactly match the Mizu blue, but I think it works alright. The set is based off of Evangelion Lilith, one of the angels, and you can see some of the Evangelion novelties here. I think it looks pretty damn sick with the board. It's quite hefty, much heavier than the KBD67 Lite, and let's get to the sound test. So, what do I think of the board? With the starting price of $129 for the standard colorways, which doesn't include the stabilizers, I think that board itself is pretty good. In comparison to the very popular KBD67 Lite, the board is slightly more expensive, but it does feel a lot more premium. It also has a different layout with a bit more presence on the desk that some people might prefer. As for the typing feel of the board, with all the dampeners, it is around the same amount of stiffness as the KBD67 Lite, but there is a option to change up the gaskets and remove the dampening, which could alleviate some of the stiffness. As for the sound profile, with all the dampening, it is pretty muted and deep. Overall, I think it's a bit more livelier than the KBD67 Lite and not as muted, and I personally dig it. The spacebar is pretty unique with the black cherry pie and alu plate as well. The keycaps, not much to say, but they are on par with ePBT and are pretty good. I still love my GMK colors and legends and the sound and quality of CRP a bit more if you're looking for PBT, but Milky Way is doing decent stuff with these readily available PBT sets and making of a lot more weave sets that are available. The more weave sets that are available, the better for you and me. Overall, I am pretty damn sure that this board will be very loved by my friend who will be receiving it, and I have finally gotten another one into the hell that is the mechanical keyboard rabbit hole. Anyways guys, thank you guys for checking out the video till the end, and more content on the way soon. We just hit, or we're very close to hitting 58k as well, so appreciate that a lot. I appreciate all the continued support. More videos, more reviews, more Switch reviews, and more comedy videos on the way soon. I'll catch you guys in the next one.